Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Monday, the 18th of February. I'm James Spann. It looks awfully wet for the rest of this week. That's obviously the headline. Maybe some flooding issues along the way and maybe some strong storms this weekend. Very active, unsettled weather ahead. Let's take a look. Here's the upper air look. It's a battle between a big trough in the western states and a strong upper high that's over the Bahamas. We're kind of caught in between. There's the visible satellite view, a mixture of clouds and sunshine for the north, a lot of clouds for the south, and we actually have a few showers on radar at 237, just south of US 80. South of the line from Demopolis to Selma to Montgomery. Those showers are slowly creeping north, and we might see some rain in North Alabama later tonight, but again, the rest of this week looking awfully wet. North of our surface front, it's in the 40s and low 50s. Birmingham 51, we have 40s north of Birmingham. But the coldest air stays up north. The Dakotas, Montana, Wyoming, it's brutally cold up there, and it's going to stay cold for a while for them. There's the watch warning map. We got winter storm warnings for parts of Arizona and New Mexico with the trough. And we've got a winter storm watch for parts of Virginia, Maryland, Pennsylvania. They could have some pretty messy weather up there by tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. And just moments ago, the Weather Service in Huntsville posted a flash flood watch for their counties in North Alabama up in the Tennessee Valley. Here's the severe weather outlook through tonight. No severe storms expected. Maybe some thunder tonight as that boundary to the south begins to lift north as a warm front. But again, no severe weather expected. Tomorrow, a marginal risk over Louisiana and some of the adjacent states. And on day 3, Wednesday, a marginal risk over extreme southwest Alabama, South Mississippi, and southeast Louisiana. But again, in terms of severe weather, this is the main concern. This is the day 6 outlook. This is for Saturday, and already a pretty large area defined from Evansville down to Shreveport. This includes all of Arkansas, West Tennessee, North Mississippi. And we'll take a look at this setup as we go here in a moment. And the rain, precipitation for the next 7 days, the bullseye right down here across the Mid-South and the Tennessee Valley. Now, this is on top of the rain we had yesterday. Keep in mind, many spots had 1 inch yesterday. Rain amounts, I'd say 4 to 7 inches for the Tennessee Valley, 3 to 5 inches for Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, and much lighter amounts down to the south. In fact, Dothan, under a quarter of an inch, closer to the ridge. So, model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at noon tomorrow. Trough to the west, upper high to the east. Southwest flow aloft and a boundary moving northward. Rain becomes widespread. And for North Alabama, temperatures will be in the 40s and 50s, much like today. For South Alabama, we'll see 60s and maybe even some low 70s. But just a good, steady, soaking rain tomorrow. Wednesday, the boundary is north of us, so I think even North Alabama should be in the 60s. And again, that's a messy, wintry look there for Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Philadelphia, back in the colder air. But for us, again, Wednesday, wet, rain, maybe some thunder. Don't expect any severe weather problems. Thursday, we stay wet. The high Thursday will be in the low 60s. Again, the front kind of oscillates back and forth through the state. And Friday, we're still wet. Rain much of the day with a high in the 60s, maybe some thunder, but again, nothing severe. So really a good coverage of rain every day through Friday, potential for some flooding issues along the way. Now, Saturday, a deep surface low forms to the west, and the front actually lifts north. Now, a decent part of the day Saturday could be dry and very mild. We're going to be up in the 70s, be one of the warmest days so far this year. Then by Saturday night, the surface low is near Kansas City, under 1,000 millibars, and obviously severe storms are possible south and east of that. And the question is, could it happen in North Alabama? Maybe. And understand, this is days away. We just aren't able to be specific about the severe weather threats. Certainly a chance of strong storms Saturday night. Remains to be seen if we have a big severe weather problem. We might not. We'll just have to watch and see the trends. And then Sunday at midday, the surface low is over Lake Michigan, and the showers and storms will be ending. So I'd say it looks like the main window for the heavier storms this weekend, 6 o'clock Saturday night until 6 o'clock Sunday morning, something like that. Now, this is Monday of next week, a week from today. Still got a trough in the west, and for us, we are dry. A fairly comfortable high should be in the low mid-60s. Let's go out 10 days. The end of the month, Thursday of next week, the 28th. a zonal flow, and again, that looks like a dry air mass. Looks like next week got a pretty decent chance to dry out. Here are the numbers coming off the European. Tomorrow it's got us in the mid-40s, and again, areas over, especially north of Birmingham, could be in the 40s all day with rain falling. Then 60s Wednesday and Thursday, then 70s Friday and Saturday. And then next week, as we get back into drier air, seasonal with highs mostly in the 50s and lows mostly in the 30s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.